beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rebs Okubo and you are so welcome. If this is your first time tuning in on this channel, thank you so very much for clicking on this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for coming back again. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about the different whitening creams that you can use as your base. Yes, there are different whitening creams that we have. These particular ones have been selected or basically for you, all right, so you do not have any issues. Okay, they have been tested, so you can actually use these particular ones for your production. Okay, so this is what you are looking for on this channel today. Kindly hit that subscribe button, like and share this video, put on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump right into the okay, so the first one I have for you on the list is Jeggings. Yes, Jeggings Lotion. Yes, very beautiful lotion. It is very good for people who are looking to have a caramel skin, or if you have a caramel skin, very good. Okay, so the next one on my list is Dr. James Whitening Cream. I know a lot of us have heard about Dr. James Whitening Cream. It is actually a Thailand cream, very good for the skin. The smell is heavenly. Okay, very beautiful cream you can use. All right, so but you need additives to activate this particular Dr. James Whitening Cream, because you know when they say whitening cream doesn't really mean whitening cream for an Italian cream. Actually, some of the Italian creams are not what you call whitening. Okay, I guess because there are already white people there, using their products doesn't necessarily mean the kind of whitening effects that we are looking for in Nigeria. Okay, but it is a very good whitening cream that you can use if you know how to activate it. On to the next one. We actually have about 25 different whitening creams we're going to be talking about today, so a very quick video. Okay, so the next one on my list is Vampire Lotion. This particular lotion is very effective, very strong, very beautiful whitening base you can use. Actually, this particular one is expensive. It's on the expensive side, but it is a very good whitening cream you can use. Okay, I've tried the lotion, I have tried the serum, I have actually used also the oil. Is very good. They're very good. You can mix that with the lotion, yeah, and then add just some few things, but with the lotion and the serum, it is very good. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. We have Pure Carrot Gold. Yes, I know there've been a lot of reviews about this particular cream or this particular lotion, the Pure Carrot Gold or the Pure Carrot Orange. It is a very good whitening base that you can use, but you know, if you do not know how to promix this particular cream, I would advise you skip this particular one. But if you know how to promix it, after promixing, you can go ahead and add all your anti-reaction ingredients to it, just so that you don't have any reaction at the end of the day. Okay, so moving on to the next one, we have Escabella. Now, this Escabella lotion is a very popular and very good lotion to use. Yes, it's actually very good. Okay, but there's been a lot of fake in the markets. Yeah, a lot of fake. Yeah, so you need to be very careful. All the creams I mentioned, like I said before, I'm going to be putting their pictures on the screen so you can know the original ones. Okay, you can know the original ones. This particular Escabella, the fake one, has the particular container, and we're putting the picture on the screen. The fake one, yeah, so that's the fake one, so you need to be very careful. And also, this is how the original one looks like. Okay, so that is it. So when you go to the market, be very careful when you are selecting your creams, okay, or your lotions. So before I need to add this, you can as well add the serum. Okay, adding the serum to this particular lotion is just superb. Okay, it will give you a very clean whitening look. Yes, the yellowish undertone whitening look, very nice. Just make sure that you add a bit of anti-reaction, maybe Shernick perfect legs or any of the anti-reaction ingredients that you have. Okay, so moving on to the next one, we have X White. X White is a very good whitening lotion as well. We also have Alpha Arbutin ×3. Okay, I have actually used this Alpha Arbutin ×3. I love this cream a lot. It's not actually a whitening cream per se, but adding the serum to it, I would suggest Alpha Arbutin Intense Serum, that very small bottle that's it on the screen. Yes, it is a very good serum you can add to this particular. Just add one to it and you are good to go. One into the 500 ml container. Yes, it is a 500 ml bottle. So just add one intense Alpha Arbutin serum to it and you are good to go. Okay, you can decide to add other things, but do not add so much because this particular cream is on the light side. It's not thick, so you need to be very careful. Okay, so moving on to the next one, we have Bow Skin Lotion. Yes, I know a lot of people have a lot of things to say about this Bow Skin lotion. It gives stretch mark and the rest things, but the truth is that this is a very strong whitening lotion. Okay, it's very strong. If you know you cannot predict this particular one, you can skip it. Okay, you can skip it, but for those who are looking for very whitening effect or super whitening effect, this particular lotion is good. Okay, if you know how to pro-mix it very well. All right, but if you know this is what you want, you can give me a shout out on my number on the screen and I will give you the method on how you can pro-mix this particular Bow Skin lotion that you will not have any issues. Okay, I will do that for you. All right, you know I'm here for you. Right, you know I'm here for you. Okay, so moving on to the next one, we have renewed glutathione lotion. That's a very good one as well. You know, anything glutathione, kojic acid, they are very good. So you just need to know how to work around it, especially with your additives. Okay, you need to know how to work around it. Okay, so moving on, we also have Uri Healthy Glow, the pink one. Okay, you can use the pink one. That pink one is very good. Uri Healthy Lotion, very good base you can use. Okay, so moving on to the next one, we also have Supreme White Lotion. Now let me just give you expo. Let me give you expo. Now for Supreme White Lotion, you can add collagen powder. You can add you just know the measurements you will use. I'm just going to list it out for you, then you can know how you just add your measurements. Okay, so you can add collagen powder to it. You can add any whitening or lightening powder to it as well. Add your glow oils. Preferably you can use jojoba oil or almond sweet oil. Those oils are very good for mixing. You can add those ones. Then you can add 1 bottle of serum to this particular lotion, and as well you can add your anti-reaction powders. Okay, anti-reaction powders. This will help save from any issue at all. Okay, so moving on to the next thing, we have Ebony Variant Lotion. This Ebony Variant Lotion is not a thick lotion. Okay, so you need to be careful the things you add to it. Okay, so you don't end up turning your product into a watery base kind of. Okay, so moving on to the next one, we have some 2 hours double action lotion. Yes, a lot of us have heard about this 72 days action serum or the oil. Okay, this product is actually very good. You can use this one as well. You can as well add the serum to it. Yes, they are actually very good. You can use it. We have Final Lotion. We also have Pure Egyptian Lotion. Yes, a lot of us have heard about Pure Egyptian Lotion. Very good lotion, right? Yeah, so and it has different variants. Just pick the one that is right for your skin type. Okay, so moving on to the next one, we also have Make Me White Lotion. We also have Skin Magnet Lotion. We have G&G Peak. We also have Pigment Does lotion. Now Pigment Does is a very strong lotion. A lot of us have heard about pigmentos serum, pigmentos face cream. They are very good products, right? But we need to be very careful when we are promixing this particular lotion, okay, because it is very strong. You do not need to add so much to it, okay? Do not add so much to it. You can add the serum, which is the concentrate. You can add it to the lotion and just a few things, and it is okay. Okay, do not go adding so much in this particular lotion, all right, so you do not end up having a wrong reaction. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. The next one is snail white lotion. Snail white lotion, it's a very good lotion, especially for people battling with acne. Okay, if you have oily skin, this is a very good lotion for you. Okay, very good. And the last but certainly not the least is rapid white. Now this rapid white is very good. Okay, very good. Yes, I have actually used this particular product. It is very nice on the skin. It's not a thick base per se. It doesn't really stay long on the skin. It easily penetrates into the skin. Okay, so it's not as thick, very thick cream that you rub on your skin and it's feeling heavy. It's a very light cream you can use. Yes, very light, very nice. Just premix it by adding your serum powders, but be very careful not to go overboard when you are promixing this particular lotion. Okay, so the topic was educative. Kindly hit that subscribe button, like and share this video. Put on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, and you can leave your comment on the comment section as well. I would definitely reply you. Okay, so thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.